here. Innumerable wireless applications like wireless powered lighting, wireless smart homes, and wireless chargers, and so on have developed due to wireless technology. Myself, Poonam Bhandari of Class 8D, Roll number 10. My topic is mechatronics, under which I am presenting a Tesla coil. Mechatronics is a multidisciplinary field that refers to skill sets needed in contemporary, advanced, and automated manufacturing industry. At intersection of mechanics, electronics, and computing, mechatronics specialists create simpler and smarter systems. A Tesla coil is an electrical resonant transformer circuit designed by inventor Nikola Tesla in the year 1891. It is used to produce high voltage, low current, high frequency altering current electricity.
The power of the Tesla coil lies in a process called electromagnetic induction. When electricity flows through a wound-up coil of wire, it generates magnetic field that fills the area around the coil in particular pattern. When huge amount of energy is transmitted through the coil, the magnetic field is exploited, resulting in release of electric power.
This is how a mini Tesla coil works. Small Tesla coil find the application in range of sectors like aluminium welding, high vacuum systems and arc lighters, vacuum system leak detectors, etc. If successful and developed on a larger scale, could lead to a whole new industrial setup. Picture a world where traditional electric companies no longer exist. Instead, governments worldwide have funded for wireless electricity in all major cities. There would be a complete shift in mindset where cities no longer have to invest their time and money into unnecessary electrical wiring and environment-unfriendly infrastructure. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Akansha Tyagi from 8D, and today I want to present to you all my science project on the topic Vistas of Career. I recently found out about Australia and how they prevent the contamination of water from all the plastic waste, and we should start doing the same. Namely, a large net is placed on the outing of a drainage pipe, which collects all the large debris and prevents the water from getting contaminated. According to National Geographic, each year 18 billion pounds of trash is collected and enters the world ocean from all the coastal areas. That's about as equivalent as 5 grocery bags full of plastic waste piled up on every foot of coastline on this planet. This is a great idea and should be implemented everywhere. But I have thought of a more efficient way which can help all the workers in the field of manual scavenging, and I've shown this through my project. Here, the dirty water, instead of getting collected in a bag, flows through this mesh, which collects the garbage. When the garbage collected is heavy enough, it will incline, which will make the garbage fall into this trolley, while the clean water which is filtered will keep on flowing.
Hello everyone, my name is Anshul Gaikwad. The topic for Nirmaan exhibition is Vistas of Career, and my topic is Automobile Engineering, Hybrid Electric Vehicle. Automobile engineering is the branch of engineering which deals with designing, repairing, manufacturing and developing automobiles. An automobile engineer deals in all these areas and applies the knowledge in designing cars and production of cars, as well as it is one of the main areas of specialization in automobile engineering. A hybrid electric vehicle combines an internal combustion engine and an electric motor with a small battery for storing electricity. I've tried to replicate the working of a hybrid electric vehicle with my model, and it has been powered with batteries for functioning. When you drive an electric vehicle, you instantly help to improve our environment. Electric cars are 100% eco-friendly as they run on electric batteries.
My name is Myra Sheikh. I study in 8B and my roll number is 8408. And the topic for my Nirmaan exhibition is earthquake alarm. So let's start with what is an earthquake alarm. An earthquake alarm is a system of accelerometer and seismometer communication, computers and alarms that is devised for notifying adjoining regions of a substantial earthquake while it is in progress. So the second point is use of earthquake alarm. Earthquake alarm, actually not earthquake but also alarm S or earthquake alarm system can provide warning of shaking during earthquake. The objective is to rapidly detect the initiations, estimate the level of ground shaking to the expected and issue a warning before significant ground shaking starts. And so let's have a look on our earthquake alarm. So, as you see, an earthquake alarm can be of many sizes. This is the most smaller one. The first thing you need to do is to join the battery, then on the switch, and then you just need to make some shaking. So as you see, it helps to us to provide by providing warning of shaking during earthquake. It rapidly detects the initiation of an earthquake.
Hello everyone, my name is Vyom Soni and I am from class 8D. My roll number is 32. The profession I have chosen is battery engineer and I made a car battery which can charge itself in just 10 minutes. Fast charging of electric vehicles is seen as the key to their take-up. So motorists can stop at a service station and fully charge their car in the time it takes to get a coffee and to use the toilet. But rapid charging of lithium-ion batteries can degrade the batteries. This is because the flow of lithium particles known as ions from one electrode to another electrode to charge the unit does not happen smoothly. The battery engineers have come up with self-heating using a nickel foil which creates an electric circuit that heats in less than 30 seconds to warm the inside of the battery. The rapid cooling that would be needed after the battery is charged would be done using the cooling system designed into the car. The future of automobile and car industry would be battery operated. With the sudden rise of these battery operated cars, my car battery with futuristic views will contribute in saving environment as well as humans' time. Thank you.
Good morning to all my respected listeners. Today, Icebreaker Saini from class 8D is going to present my Nirmaan exhibition project on the topic Aeronautical Engineering on Drones. Aerospace or aeronautical engineering is a primary field of engineering concerned with the development of aircraft and spacecraft. Abraham Karam is the founding father of UAV drone technology. Unmanned aerial vehicle, popularly known as drone, is an aircraft operated by a human operator or by an onboard computer. Now I will explain the main parts of a drone. Standard propellers, pusher propellers, battery, camera. Drones are made up of camera of 20 MP with 2x optical zoom capability. The receiver. Drones can fly up to 10 km or 33,000 feet. Now I'll fly this drone. Drones can reach places where humans cannot. Plus, they can be more accurate than people and capture significant amounts of data at once. Drones and its uses. Drones are used in delivering goods in agricultural fields, in submitting COVID vaccines and medicines, and in surveying dangerous areas, and many more. Digital drones are very helpful to us in various ways. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Mohammad Ibrahim Khan from Dalmia High School, and this is my project, Multi-Utility Space Apartment. So, as you know, multi-utility space apartment is very essential for people who live in big cities. Because the lack of space, it is not possible to build big houses. So, let me show you around my house. So, as you can see, there is a lot of cabinets for storage. There is a sink for washing utensils, and here also are utensils. Let me take you to the bedroom. So, as you can see, there is a almirah in the bedroom to store stuff, and there's this bed. So, when you want to sleep, you can open this like this. But when you don't want to sleep, you can just close it like this. So, and then you can open it again. And it also has this beautiful wallpaper. The floor is made out of wooden flooring. And when you want more space, you can just open the curtains like this and you can make a very big room. And in the big room there is a sofa for storage and there is a window to let the fresh air come in. So thank you for seeing my project.
Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Khushi Maheshwari, Class 8, Division D, roll number 8406. Welcome to Nirmaan exhibition. My topic is watering using solar power. The article describes the different components of solar power irrigation system, various specifications in India, challenges faced by the consumers, and the future scope of solar power irrigation system. Solar power water pumping system can be application in town, water supply, livestock, water irrigation. Solar power irrigation system is an application of solar power in paddy fields, gardens for a watering the plants and vegetable, etc. A typical example of what solar power is here. Some advantages of typical solar power irrigation is it makes the irrigation possible in remote areas. It's environment friendly, no grid connection to be required, no electricity bill to be paid and no fuel to be required. So now I am going to show you how to use it. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Aditi Chaurasia from class 8D, roll number 1. My project is water reclamation. My materials used are a big vase, a plant, a utensil crop and some utensils. Water reclamation is a process of converting municipal wastewater into clean water so that they can be reused for a variety of purposes like urban reuse, agricultural reuse, environmental reuse, industrial reuse, land potable reuse, de facto wastewater reuse. This project is mainly used for environmental reuse. Water is a substance composed of chemical elements hydrogen and oxygen. It is one of the most plentiful essential of compounds, a tasteless and odorless liquid at room temperature. Water is important for every living thing, one of which are plants. Water helps a plant in transporting important nutrients through the plant. Without enough water in the cells, the plants will droop, so water helps plants to stand upright. My project works like this. When wet fields are kept in the drainer, the water is drained out over here and then it's collected over here. Through these fine holes, the water is absorbed by the soil through which the plant grows. Thank you.
My name is Yash Das from class 8D, roll number 33, and my topic for the day is Mechanical Engineering Line Tracer Vehicles. There is a need for technological reform and innovation in public transport because of the increased number of passengers. The idea proposed here is to construct and build a robot that keeps following a line. It can also perform other tasks. It has a very simple and easy build. It can be used in automatic valet parking, transport of expensive goods, and reduces the possibility of human error and increases safety, and also reduces the damage loss. Demonstration of how a line tracer vehicle works. It is programmed to follow a given path and not divert from it, which makes traveling safer on a line tracer vehicle, and also as it is following a given line, it also reduces the chances of damaging any goods it is transporting. Thank you.
Good morning, sir, ma'am, and all my dear friends. I, Vinay Sharma from class 8D, hereby represent the topic for Nirmaan exhibition, which is horticulture. You may be familiar with the word botany, which means science that deals with plants. Horticulture is a short of that, which includes gardening, plant breeding, daily maintenance, propagation, designing like making bonsai, home garden, terrace garden, various types of maintenance. Love to be with plants. There is every day a new challenge. Love working outside. Love to mix botany with weeding is always a challenge as you pull them out all around and when you turn they are back again. We need to put our etiquettes to the guest where here we observe that there is lot to learn and observe. We need to make sure there be respectful and leave space for others to enjoy. Cultivate love and interest in plants, formal education in botany and or horticulture, learn and enjoy. These are some bonsai made by me for Nirmaan exhibition.
This is my Nirmaan project. I am from class 8D. My topic is water dispenser. As its name implies, a water dispenser is a device which dispenses water. It offers unlimited supply of clean, safe drinking water. Place a cup, bottle or jug beneath the faucet, then press the lever or button to fill the glass. Advantages of water dispenser are: it plays a vital role in workplace and public places for storing unlimited amount of clean, safe drinking water. Materials I use for making my water dispenser are foam paper, cardboard, plastic bottle, straw. Thank you.
Hello everyone, today I, Soni of class 8D is going to represent a Nirmaan project and my project topic is solar sun tracking system. Solar trackers are designed to orient photovoltaic panels, lenses or reflectors towards the sun with the help of LDR, which is also known as light dependent resistor. Since the sun's position in this changes with the change of seasons and also with the change of time of day, the solar trackers are aligned to maximize the energy production. There are many uses of solar sun tracking system, such as there is a lot of financial savings, cost of production is zero, less energy is spent during transportation. Now let us see how does it works. Thanks for watching my Nirmaan project video.
Good evening teachers and my dear friends. My name is Tanish Bansode of class 8D, roll number 29. The topic of my Nirmaan project is future of civil engineering, that is sustainable electricity. It is a very new concept in the field of civil engineering. Currently, India along with other countries is facing acute energy crisis due to major coal depletions. Sustainable electricity uses renewable sources of energy like thermal, solar, and wind energy. This project also uses the same concept, except here we use mechanical energy produced by cars and convert it into electrical energy. The pros of this project are it helps us to conserve energy. It is a very cost effective concept, and it helps us to use electricity very optimally and efficiently. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Manitapal from grade 8D YU House. My topic for Nirmaan exhibition is Vistas of Career, and I aim to pursue engineering. My project demonstrates the use of solar energy efficiently and sustainably. Solar energy is a green source of energy and is a great way to reduce carbon footprint. Solar power panels absorb solar energy and convert it into electrical energy to fulfill all the power requirements of multiple households. The entire home solar power system is interconnected with adequate and appropriate wiring and cabling to channelize the energy into a usable form. When sunlight falls on the solar panels, it gets absorbed by the PV cells, and silicon semiconductors in these cells convert the solar energy into electrical energy through the PV effect. This electrical energy in the form of DC power can directly charge the battery. The DC power in the battery is sent to an inverter which converts it into AC power. This AC power is now sent to the mains in the room, which in turn can power all the necessary applications. Thank you.
Hello everybody. My name is Maitri Tejaswabu. I'm from 8D, roll number 23. Today I'm going to be telling you about my Nirmaan project. My Nirmaan project is a mechanical arm. A mechanical arm is a device which mimics the actions of a human arm. It has both benefits in the medical and engineering streams. In medical streams, you can use it to research more about hand anatomies. Hand anatomies is a study about the forefingers, the palm, the wrist and the thumb. And we can also learn more about the bones, tendons and muscles in our body. And in engineering, we can know more about structural stability and how gears and links work in a machine. And for both medical and engineering is that it can be used for biomimicry. Biomimicry is when a machine or a device made by a human mimics the actions of a human or an animal. So, the uses of this device. This device can grab things very well from afar, and it can also lift weights very well. So sometimes when firefighters try to save people from fires, they get burns even though they are wearing their gear. So to reduce the risk of getting burned, they can use this device so that they can grab the people and pull them out without themselves going in the fire. And this can also be used to lift heavy weights. In conclusion, I would like to say that if this can be put to really good use, then it can save a lot of people and it can be beneficial for all humankind. Thank you.
From class 8E, roll number 22, and my topic is windmill. Wind is caused by the uneven heating of the atmosphere by the sun, variation in the earth's surface and rotation of the earth. Mountains, water bodies and vegetation all influence the wind flow patterns. Wind turbine converts the energy in wind to electricity by rotating propeller-like blades around a root. A rotor turns a drive shaft which turns an electric generator. Three factors affect the amount of energy a turbine can harness from the wind: wind speed, air density and swept area. Thank you.
Good morning teachers and my dear friends. Myself Dhruva from 8D, roll number 19. You all know college degree puts you on a direct path of a career, such as doctors, teachers, journalists, etc. And for many, future isn't a clear cut. Luckily, there are several career options that don't know even exist. One among them is solar operated motorbike. Technological advances in motors, controllers and related technology led largely by the solar industry have made this possible. Solar energy is a way of working with Mother Nature. Small amount of sun energy, over time allow a corn to become a mighty oak like noise. Tapping on a bit of a solar energy just enough for our needs, not allowed for solar charge transportation to viable alternative of burning fossil fuels. Of career demand for solar energy system engineer had expected to go up with an expected of 19,920 new jobs filled by 2029. This represents an annual increase of 1.45% over the next few years. Thank you.
My name is Ethan Pereira. I study in class 8D and my roll number is 20. My topic is rainwater harvesting. It comes under the career of environmental engineering. Rainwater harvesting is the activity or direct collection of rainwater for future uses. There is a lot of shortage of water in some places of the world. The solution is rainwater harvesting. It's the ultimate source of fresh water and it helps to overcome water scarcity. The reason rainwater should be harvested is to conserve and augment the storage of groundwater faster, to reduce water depletion and to improve the quality of groundwater. I wanted to showcase how rainwater harvesting works by using a small model. As you can see, this model consists of three important components: the filtration system, the storage reservoir, and the pumping system. As you are aware, the collected rainwater in the roof is contaminated and hence it is first transported into the filtration system. This filtration system is very unique. It has multiple layers consisting of fine sand pebbles, charcoal, and a metal sieve, which ensures that all debris and contaminants are trapped by the filtration system and only pure potable water is passed out, which is then collected in the water storage reservoir. We have a powerful motor pump which is connected to the reservoir and is used for water distribution. The stored water in the reservoir is pumped to the overhead tank of the building or house and is released to the homes for personal use. The powerful motor pump can also pump water from the water storage reservoir into the fields for plants. The rainwater harvesting model is a very cost-effective solution to create potable clean water from rain, which can be useful in smaller towns and villages who have a scarcity of water, thereby improving the lives of people living there. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone, this is Aryan Singh from class 8D presenting the working model of drip irrigation. So now let me show what is a drip irrigation. Drip irrigation is a micro irrigation system which has the potential to supply water in each and every root with the exact amount. It also helps to reduce the water pollution and it also saves the water. So now let's see how it works. So first let me on the motor, and when we on the motor, from the well it goes to the tank. The water is supplying in the tank, and when the tank fills, it supplies from here. Let it fill, and the water is supplying from the pipe. So here you can see the water start dripping, and the water start dripping. Now it will fill completely. And thank you. Bye.
From class 8D, roll number 21, I'm going to show you my project. This is eco-friendly building construction. The other name for sustainable building is green buildings. These buildings are constructed and designed to reduce the wastage during the construction and after the construction. The advantages of these buildings are energy efficiency, water efficiency, and material efficiency. In the energy efficiency, solar panels convert sunlight into the electrical energy and then it is stored into this generator, and from which these LED lights are turned on. These LED lights also help in consumption of electricity. Reducing water consumptions and rainwater harvesting are the two keys to the objectives of these green buildings. Material efficiency. These buildings are made up of eco-friendly materials like bamboo, timber, etc. Waste reduction. Green buildings also provide us with on-site solutions such as compost bins, which are also used to reduce the waste which is going into the landfills. These buildings are made to meet their social need and to get shelter from various attacks such as wind, rain, sunlight. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Dhruv and I am from class 8D. The project that I have created is a laser light security system. This kind of security system is used at many places, for example, protecting our farms from wild animals or to protect our house from any kind of burglary or theft. For making this project I have used a laser light, an LDR, a buzzer a transistor and a resistor. The circuit is usually affixed outside our houses near the walls, on the walls near the entrance. We need to make sure that the laser points towards the LDR. So now if someone or something blocks the laser from entering into the LDR, the LDR starts buzzing like this. So this is a very useful and inexpensive and an innocuous way of protecting your houses, farms and other private properties. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Daksh Wagmare and the name of my project is Air Hull Lubrication. Air lubrication system is a method to reduce the resistance between the ship's hull and seawater using air bubbles which reduce the resistance working on the ship's hull, creating energy saving effects. With the right ship hull design, the air lubrication system is expected to achieve up to 10 to 15% reduction of CO2 emissions along with significant saving of fuel. This reduction on the power cuts down the fuel consumption of the ship and therefore also decreases the operational cost of the vessel. To explain my model, I have used a fish tank setup and I have tried to show you the working of ALS. Observe the bubbles being created below the ship's hull. Air is injected into the boundary layer of the wetted surface. An air-water mixture containing both air bubbles and water is formed, which is dragged along the entire length of the vessel with the air release units at the hull of the ship. This helps the vessel to glide through the water with reduced resistance. When the system is turned on, an immediate drop in shaft power can be seen by an increase in the speed. I hope you all liked my project. Thank you.
Good morning teachers and my dear friends. My name is Yeshal Chiri from class 8D, roll number 14, and my topic is suspension bridge. A suspension bridge is a type of a bridge in which the deck is hung below the suspension cables on a vertical suspender. The first modern example of a suspension bridge were built in earlier 18th centuries. The suspension bridges have a long history in many mountainous parts of the world. The structure or the main components of a bridge are two towers, two suspension cables, 4 suspension cable anchors, and the deck. Some advantages to build a suspension bridge are: suspension bridges are relatively affordable to construct. Bridges using this technique can cover long spans. It is easier to maintain suspension bridges when compared to other styles. The bridge design requires very little access from the bottom of the deck. There is more flexibility with the configuration of the suspension bridge. Thank you.
My name is Vedant Mulani from class 8D, roll number 30, and my project is medical radiography. Radiography is a science taking images of the internal and hidden portions of the human body with the purpose of diagnosing diseases. This includes the use of MRI, CT scan, X-ray, ultrasound, PET, angiography, etc. Treatment using radiation is known as radiotherapy. Medical radiography is generally carried out by radiographers, while the image analysis is generally done by radiologists. For example, this is a CT scanner. The body to be examined is placed on this platform and slides in. X-ray is generated here and rotates around the body, generating a 3D image of the internal structure. Another example is X-ray generator. This machine uses X-ray generator on an object or a portion of the person's body to generate an image. As for this image detects there is a crack in the bone of a person's hand. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Lavanya Jha and I am from class 8D. As you all know, our Nirmaan topic is unknown careers. So I have chosen environmental engineer. In that I have chosen wastewater management process treatment. Wastewater treatment process model to show that wastewater from our homes can be purified. and used for domestic tasks like gardening. The wastewater from our home is collected in this tank, which goes to the treatment center. And from there, it goes to various stages. And lastly, it is purified. And it is used for various purposes like gardening, washing, and etc. We can save so much water by this process. Even if one building, apartment, or household carries this out, it will help us all to be eco-friendly in our own small way. Thank you so much.
My name is Namita Singh. I'm from class 8D and my roll number is 9 and my topic is hydraulic jack. So basically hydraulic jack is a device that uses small force to lift heavy object. It works on Pascal's law. So this is basically Pascal's law. Here we are using two syringes which will be acting as piston cylinder arrangement. Here one of diameter 6 and another of diameter 60. And we will be applying small force on the small syringe and load will be lifted on the big syringe. So here basic physics concept is used. Mechanical advantage is equals to W upon P. W means load, which means load lifted up. P means effort, which means force applied. Here ME is always greater than 1 since we are using small force to lift heavy object. So this is my working model and I will show you how it works. As you can see, this is lifting up. So the application of hydraulic jack is used to lift cars and heavy objects. And thank you for giving me this opportunity to make this project. Thank you.
My name is Prishana Amdev. This year topic for Nirmaan exhibition is Stars of Career. The topic which I have chosen is civil engineering. I have made a working model of rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is an act of collecting rainwater. Rainwater harvesting in India is mainly done in places with scanty rainfall. In Karnataka, rainwater harvesting has been made compulsory. See, suppose this is the rainwater. It goes down from the pipe and gets collected in the tank. Then I have attached the rainwater storage tank directly to a drip irrigation system. We have to pull this up and then push it down so it spreads all over the fields or farms. Thank you. I hope you like my project.
Good morning to everyone viewing my project. I'm Chilip Kansara from Grade 8 Division D and my roll number is 13. For this year's Nirmaan project, I've chosen the topic Oil Extractor Machine. Oil extraction machine is used to extract pure and fresh oil at home or for commercial purposes. This system is very much useful for extracting oil from different seeds. This oil can be used for cooking and hence is quite important. Many different types of oil can be extracted, such as groundnut, sesame, coconut, sunflower, mustard, almond and black seed oil. Like in this machine that you see, if we put some groundnut seeds inside the machine, it is grinded. It is then crushed and then the oil is extracted from it. This oil is then poured into the oil refinery where the oil is refined. This is how we obtain refined oil. There are multiple verticals which can be opted as a career, which includes manufacturing, sales and marketing, quality and branding, finance, wholesale and retailing. According to the last 2017-18 report, India's total domestic demand was for 25.88 million ton and we had to import 15.35 million ton, that is 74,996 crore rupees. So why not make a career in oil making? Although it's an old technique, this career is not explored and can be opted. Thank you.
A warm welcome to one and all present here. I, Janvi Mandani from class 8D, will
explain you about the theme of the exhibition, Vistas of Career, and my topic is Airways. As you all know that there has been a surge of innovation and invention in various careers such as airways, navy, engineering, etc. So now let me demonstrate the model. So as you can see at the runway, the speed of aircraft during takeoff can provide kinetic energy to a turbine which can be converted into electricity. So from this project we can conclude that in future there will be a better means of electricity which will improve the environment. Thank you.
Welcome to the guests watching this video and thank you for visiting our Nirmaan exhibition. My name is Arish Mutani of class 8D. My roll number is 8415. Our theme for this Nirmaan exhibition is Vistas of Career. This is a wind turbine. This is something which we have seen before, but we have enhanced this. We can build small turbines and place them near our houses, so if there's a problem like a short circuit or power cut, we can use this turbine to generate electricity. It basically works when the wind moves the blades of the turbine and the generator inside it produces energy. This energy can be in form of electrical sound or heat. This energy can be used in the times of crisis. I hope you like our project and our visit to Nirmaan exhibition. Thank you.